Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change receiving country on Remitly. So if you also want to change receiving country on Remitly, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. If you want to change the receiving country, all you have to do is tap on the manage icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Under account details you'll be able to see the country that you're sending the money to. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to change the receiving country. Simply tap on the country that you want to send money to. Now you can see over here the receiving country has been changed. There is also another way to change it. Simply go back to home interface. Now here at top you'll be able to see the country flag. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here too you'll be able to change the country. All you have to do is tap on the country that you want to send the money to. Now you can see over here the receiving country has been changed. So that is how you change receiving country on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.